Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Last week I didn't do the channel part and I think only one person said that they didn't like it and that the rest of you wanted it to come back, and that kind of warms my heart because I just started doing it like randomly. It was a like completely natural thing that I just made up when I started making YouTube videos. So I love that you guys like it and want it to come back and that you were sad that it wasn't there. So today what I want to do is something that you guys have asked for like a million times. And you know what? I realize now that I say that at the beginning of like every video, like, oh, you guys ask for this all the time. But you do. So what we're gonna do today is preserve a sunflower in resin. Hi! Do you want to say hi? Are you excited to put a sunflower in resin? Should they all subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram? And should we also get into this video? How many people am I annoying with this voice? A lot. So what I've actually done is pre-put the sunflowers in silica gel like a week ago. So at this point right now, we can get started. I will show you how I put it in silica gel right now. So all I did was have like an inch of silica gel at the bottom, and then I put the sunflowers in and I buried them how I wanted them to stay. So now what we're gonna do today is actually put them in resin. So let's get started on that. I love that I pre-put them in silica gel. That makes me happy. Thank you, past me. You're welcome, future, current me.
I've never been cold in.
Sorry. Are you ready?
I think so.
Cool.
Yeah.
Okay guys, it's time to pop this freaking monster out, and I have a guest.
Hello.
That you guys haven't seen in a little while.
Yeah.
So this thing is humongous, right?
Yeah.
How big would you say this is?
At least 1.5 times my head.
Okay. A really nice like measurement.
Yeah, it's uniform. Everybody can relate.
Yeah, absolutely. Everybody has the same size head. Okay, we'll do it like this, and then you can give me your reaction.
Okay. I like it. I really like that.
Wow,
Yeah.
it's so pretty.
It really is.
What the hell?
I love that you put the other petals that aren't connected just like floating around.
Yeah.
Looks like a scene.
Oh my god. I don't know if they got to see it really well. I'll have to do like a little pan over after, that way you guys can like really get the details of it, but holy crap.
Yeah.
The ink came out really pretty.
It did.
I tried to do not too much because I feel like last week's video, I know everybody was really nice about it and was like, oh, it's okay that, you know, like don't say sorry for putting a ton of stuff, but I felt bad because I felt like I kept putting way too much of everything, like way too much ink, way too much glitter.
Yeah.
So I'm happy that I did like a little bit of ink this time and got like a little bit of like a wispy kind of smoky effect. Oh my god, they came out so pretty.
It looks too like the petals, like the end of the petals, are closer to, like, to you. You know what I mean? Closer to the surface than the rest, and it gives it a really cool 3D effect. I don't know if they can see it on camera though.
Yeah, like I said, I'm going to show you guys like a closer up. Don't mind this nail. I have a cut on it. I'm flipping everybody off. Oh, meow! Are you stinky? I kind of love like in these little like center areas, there's a bunch of bubbles, like tiny little bubbles that went into the little like crevices of it.
Yep.
And I like that. I don't know if like everybody likes when bubbles happen, but I feel like it looks like water or like dew on the flower.
Yes, yeah.
Dang, that came out really, really pretty.
Yeah, I
I'm
noticed.
holding it so far away, like, wow, look at it. So this sunflower is called a mahogany sunflower. Oh my god. And then this one's like a regular sunflower. Regular, but very pretty. But this one's mahogany.
Mahogany.
Mahogany sunflower. What I'm probably going to do, because it's such a thick piece, this is probably like an inch thick, right?
Yeah.
Maybe even more than that. Anyway, I'm probably going to get like an easel type thing. So something like this, so I can like kind of put it down and then ta-da, kinda. Ta-da! Ta-da! That is how you put a sunflower in resin. I feel like you guys ask me that all the time. How do you put sunflowers in resin? That is how you do it. And that, well, that's how I do it anyway. Yeah.
Looks awesome.
Are you laughing at me?
I was laughing just because when you flipped that, it flung a leaf in my direction.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
A leaf?
Maybe it was just this.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. I can see you looking at me. Don't look at me. I'm not used to having anybody film with me, so I'm like extra awkward. I know that I like have a base level of awkward all the time, but I'm extra awkward when somebody else is here making faces like that. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of the piece that I made, and if you guys put sunflowers in resin yourself. Tag me on Instagram if you do that, and also follow me on Instagram. What's my username?
Artsymadwoman.
Okay, cool. You passed the first test.
Thank you.
I'll see you on the next video. Bye! No, you guys say bye! Bye!